How to use diatomaceous earth for pest control. Dealing with pests in or around your home is no fun, especially if you don't want to use any harsh insecticides or pesticides. Fortunately, diatomaceous earth, DE, which is made from fossilized algae, kills and repels pests without any harmful chemicals. Keep watching to learn how you can use diatomaceous earth both indoors and outdoors to get rid of pests once and for all. What is diatomaceous earth? Diatomaceous earth is the fossilized remains of diatoms, a type of algae that creates 20 to 50% of the world's oxygen. Diatomaceous earth is rich in minerals and can be sourced from across the globe. It's processed in a variety of ways for a variety of uses, but the best diatomaceous earth for insecticides is milled or micronized. Insects require a certain level of humidity or moisture to thrive, says 𝒍𝒐𝒃𝒏𝒏𝒆. This is the reason, he says, why many insects have a season in which they are more active, which is usually more humid. Diatomaceous earth works as an insecticide in two ways. It removes moisture from their habitat, making it difficult or impossible for the insects to remain. When the diatomaceous earth makes direct contact with an insect's exoskeleton, it dries them out and can kill them. Welcome to The Guardian's Choice. This video will tell you how to preparation and safety info, how to use indoors, and how to use outdoors. So keep watching, get your solution, and enjoy. Things you'll need. Applicator. Gloves. Safety goggles. N95 mask. Method 1. Preparation and safety info. Number 1. Purchase food-grade diatomaceous earth. There are two different types of diatomaceous earth, the food-grade kind, which is safe to use in your home and even in your food, and the pool-grade FCC grade. The main difference is the amount of silica in them. The food-grade version has less than 1% silica, while the pool-grade contains much more. When you purchase diatomaceous earth to use in or around your home, be sure that you're getting the food-grade version. Inhaling silica crystals can cause serious health problems, including lung cancer. That's why the silica concentration of the product is so important. Food-grade diatomaceous earth also has more restrictions on heavy metal concentrations, while the pool-grade does not. Number 2. Wear gloves, a mask, and safety glasses. Even though diatomaceous earth is natural, it's made from the fossilized remains of tiny, aquatic organisms called diatoms. Breathing it in or touching it can still cause irritation. When you use this product, wear long pants and long sleeves, an N95 mask, gloves, and safety glasses. Inhaling a large amount of diatomaceous earth can cause coughing and shortness of breath. If you inhale a lot of it, call poison control. Number 3. Keep pets and children away from the area. Children may be more sensitive to diatomaceous earth, as are small animals. When you use diatomaceous earth, try to keep your kids and your pets out of the area. If your child or your pet does interact with diatomaceous earth, they probably won't be in too much danger. However, it can cause irritation and shortness of breath. Number 4. Pour the diatomaceous earth into a duster or applicator. Getting a thin, fine layer of diatomaceous earth is imperative. If the pests can see clumps of it, they'll just go around. When you buy a bag of diatomaceous earth, pick up a duster or an applicator as well. Then, fill the applicator about halfway full with diatomaceous earth before you start. You can usually find dusters and applicators near the diatomaceous earth in stores. You can use a bulb duster, a plastic condiment bottle, or an empty plastic squeeze bottle. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. How to use diatomaceous earth indoors. Number 1. Sprinkle it on your carpets. If fleas are your problem, they might be living in your carpets. Vacuum the carpet and dispose of the contents outside, then dust your carpet with diatomaceous earth. The sharp pieces of diatom will cut into the fleas' exoskeletons, killing them quickly. Experts recommend keeping diatomaceous earth on your carpet for at least 2 weeks to get rid of fleas. This method works on small carpets, but it might not be super effective if you have wall-to-wall carpeting throughout your entire home. Number 2. Pour it on your upholstered furniture. Pests like bedbugs and fleas can sometimes live in your furniture. If you've noticed any bugs on your couches or chairs, give them a light dusting of diatomaceous earth. Let the rest of the people in your home know not to sit on the furniture for a few days to give the product time to work. You can also use diatomaceous earth on your bed skirt if you need to. Number 3. Squeeze it into cracks and crevices around your home. Pests love to hide inside small holes, behind electrical outlets, and on top of baseboards. To be thorough, use your applicator to sprinkle diatomaceous earth into every nook and cranny you can reach. Don't be afraid to unscrew light fixtures and electrical outlets from the wall, too. You might also want to sprinkle it underneath appliances, like your stove and refrigerator, especially if you're dealing with ants or roaches. Number 4. Dust any entrails if you see them. Ants will carry the diatomaceous earth back to their ant hills, which can kill off a whole colony very fast. If you see any ants coming in and out of your home, give the entire ant trail a light dusting. That way, you'll kill off any ants in your home as well as the ones that are outside. If you know where the ants are coming in, you can also dust the opening that they're walking through. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. How to use diatomaceous earth outdoors. Number 1. Try not to get diatomaceous earth wet. When diatomaceous earth gets wet, it stops being effective. If you're going to use diatomaceous earth outside, wait until it's not raining and the forecast is clear. Otherwise, the diatomaceous earth may not work. Diatomaceous earth hasn't been found to be toxic to birds, fish, or other wildlife, so it's safe to use outdoors. Number 2. Sprinkle diatomaceous earth on entry points outside your home. Pests often crawl in through small openings in your home. Walk around your home and look for any entry points, like loose windows or small cracks. Use your applicator to lightly dust the entry points to kill the pests as they go in or out. Check your attic, basement, or crawl space, too, as pests will often use these as entry points because they're dark and quiet. Number 3. Spray it into cracks or crevices outside. If your walls have any hiding spots for pests, use the tip of your applicator to apply diatomaceous earth. Pests will sometimes hang out in small crevices in your home, like cracks in your foundation or gaps in your siding. Keep applying diatomaceous earth to these spaces for a few days until the pests all die. This is a great way to get rid of termites and wood-bees. Number 4. Add it underneath large shrubs and around trees. Some pests, like termites, burrow in the soil underneath shrubbery outside. If you think the pests are coming in from the ground, go ahead and sprinkle it underneath any large shrubs or trees near your home. To deter pests even further, keep your large shrubbery trimmed back at least 6 feet, 1.8 m away from your home. Number 5. Spray it on your window screens. You might notice that mosquitoes are still getting inside your home, even with window screens. That's because small mosquitoes can still squeeze through the minute gaps in the screen to get inside. To prevent that, take the screens down and give them a light dusting of diatomaceous earth before putting them back up again. This will also help deter pests that might try to enter through your windows, like ants. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Is diatomaceous earth safe? There are two types of diatomaceous earth, food grade, and pooler filter grade. Pooler filter grade diatomaceous earth should only be used for water filtration purposes. The type you'll use for pest control is food grade, says 𝒍𝒐𝒗𝒆, so it's very safe, especially with pets and children. That said, he continues, it can be an irritant if people misuse it. Sometimes we'll have people with bedbugs who panic and dust diatomaceous earth everywhere, 𝒍𝒐𝒗𝒆 explains, and they'll call us in because there's diatomaceous earth everywhere but they still feel like they're getting bitten. We'll come in and there are no bedbugs anymore, but the diatomaceous earth is drying out and irritating their skin. Whenever possible, avoid using diatomaceous earth in exposed areas, where it can be breathed in and tracked around by humans and animals in the vicinity. When it's recklessly applied, diatomaceous earth can do more harm than good, says 𝒍𝒐𝒗𝒆. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.